could be the game that defines how he's remembered as the Barcelona manager. 7 majors he's won. He's in. Benzema and Carvajal have missed 6 games. Bale was drafted in, they had problems, but they are at full strength and they're a team at the moment. The big call for the referee, Ronaldo goes down.
And the break's on.
Here's Toni Kroos. Kroos to Cristiano Ronaldo. Does he still have that speed? Yes, he does. Beats an old friend, Gerard Piqué. Ronaldo! Ter Stegen. Messi, you can't pin him down to a position. Jordi Alba. Suarez has hung deep. Ooh, in the back. No room for experimentation tonight against Real Madrid. Messi gets past Casemiro. He's going to have to watch his step for Real Madrid. Modric to Benzema. Benzema has a chance, but it was a soft shot.
Well, lovely play from Modric, but should have done better, I think, Robin. I agree with you. Great ball.
Barcelona strikes straight back, and this comes to Suarez. To Kroos. Marcelo. Ronaldo with some workspace. Benzema fighting for a position in the centre. Ronaldo, big hand from Ter Stegen. Ball over the top. Bale! Well, Marcelo. Full steam ahead for the Real Madrid full-back. Overstepped by Benzema. Cristiano Ronaldo tries to create something out of it.
What a run from Sergio Roberto. This is brilliant, Rob. From right back spot.